We're fighting. Yeah. I just saw the birds fighting and recording that.
No, you need to pick up your crafty stuff, please.
Two wood pigeons fighting. Look, ready? Ready? They're fighting. Wait, they're fighting. Can we start to 8:30 again?
Right, I'm just going to get stuff ready.
Okay.
I'll see.
Create.
There, be quiet with your tablets. And we'll go from there, okay?
I've created.
But you need to not hang your tablet out the window.
No.
We have school tomorrow.
Yes.
What am I?
I don't know.
What?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Right, come on then, come down, please.
Please.
No, not.